today we're gonna go pick up some, I guess shop equipment. I guess you can call it, right?
Shop equipment, a motor.
Oh yeah.
Forgot.
Yeah, I forgot we're gonna pick up an engine too. So we're gonna pick up an engine. Yeah, we're gonna start doing some little vlog style stuff because we do a lot of like, I guess you can call that adventures. Mainly it's just me and Peter most of the time.
Me, dude.
Yeah.
All day thing.
Yeah, you could pretty much always count on me and Peter being in all these, because we use his truck. So yeah, today we're gonna go get.
I know if I was unreliable, it'd be bad.
Yeah, 100%. So we're gonna go pick up a whole bunch of stuff out of FRS that we have, kind of shop equipment, some like moving tarps and stuff, and then we're gonna go pick up a engine and transmission assembly for an FRS that we have at the shop/house.
The driveway.
Yeah, that's what the shop's gonna be called. The driveway. Take it to the driveway. Even when we get a shop, it'll be called the driveway.
Yeah, dude, it was
Hello? So I just want to show you guys. Oh, hold on, it's pretty dark. Okay, there we go. Here's the engine. Here's some nice Watanabes for the Celica. Oh yeah, sneak peek to what's coming.
That's 3 pieces.
Oh yeah, in case Peter has another baby. Got you. Kind of hard to see in here, but we got that is a motorcycle frame, and then under that box is all motorcycle parts, and here's that tank for the motorcycle too, and a motorcycle battery. Here we got some fenders. Oh dude, I already got a new fender for the crashed FRS. Look.
There you go, dude. You're good.
And we got some doors down there. So yeah, right now we're gonna try to take this out, this little engine, and we'll see how it goes.
Loaded up. Strapped and loaded. Can't wait to get this thing running.
I know you're already falling in love with it. You haven't even.
I know. How do I stop it? I'll just keep going.
The button.
Oh, that one?
The right button.
Dang, so cool.
Move the camera left to right. Yeah, zoom in, zoom out.
No. See. Oh, doesn't go up and down.
No, you can't do up and down. You can do up and down by your hand.
Oh, yeah. Oops.
Pumping lazy too, Peter.
This is the hauling truck. Now we're ready to go.
Oh yeah, a hauling truck, just a cheap truck.
Just a little harsh check, you know.
Little cheap GX we found out there. All right. Only took us 37 minutes to load that bitch.
Only.
And
another 37 to get home.
All right, we're on our way back now. We had some technical difficulties getting here to Hayward. I know we told you guys at the beginning we're gonna get engine, we're gonna get parts. We only got the engine.
Sometimes that's how it goes.
Yeah.
You know?
But altogether, I think we crossed the bridge like 4 times today. You know, had a little family emergency that I'll probably just put the beginning of that phone call that is picking up. Had a little family emergency. Had to stop.
Had to go back home.
Drive over the bridge, drive back, and then we drove over the bridge again together, and then we lost my keys.
Had to go back.
So then we had to go back, and then we get back. Then we loaded up. Now we're going back for the final time so we can get the engine there and start the engine replacement. Well, hopefully start the Nova inspection. We got a lot of stuff, you guys.
Who knows what we're gonna do?
Yeah, we're gonna do something.
Depends what everybody's in the mood for.
Yeah, you want a little bit American, you want a little Japanese. It's like food, you know? You gotta just
Easy peasy.
Japanesey.
We still gotta even split this at some point.
Yeah.
You know, we gotta get another dolly.
That transmission
Or I
is
can put it
light.
on the tire.
That transmission's hella light. We could probably just lift it by hand.
No, but I mean another dolly to leave that on. Well, I guess if it breaks, it breaks, huh?
Yeah, that's
I
Dennis.
just didn't want it to slam down on something.
Yeah. It's okay, we have a good oil pan on the other one. As long as one oil pan survives. Oh,
So how are we put it? Where are we putting this? I didn't think it was far. We gotta push all these cars out again.
There we go, back on the bridge.
For the 5th time today.
Oh yeah, dude. This bridge loves us, taking all our money.